Hello everyone, today I have my October Splendies. Got a little beat up in transit, so hope everything is fine inside. The wrapping paper looks like this one. Yay, I got the cat ones. But here's the first pair. And it's from Splendies and it's retails for $12. Then here's the thong. It's not the one that I was hoping to get, but it's cute. It's candy corn. This is also from Splendies and it's $12. And then there is just this plain one here. And this is from Wilshire, Montana Intimates. And it retails for $12. So I got this pair. This pair. And this pair. And this one is of course my favorite because I'm a crazy cat lady. But I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.